on Tropical Storm Henri, which formed a couple of days ago, although this is the first update, and now it is a potential threat for New England. Taking a look at the satellite imagery for this storm, as you can tell, it has blown up in the past couple of hours and is looking quite a bit better. There is a reconnaissance plane going into this storm and could tell us if this is a hurricane now or if it's the same strength or possibly even somehow weakened. Taking a look at the NHC forecast cone and warnings, you can see that this storm will likely go straight up into the New England region, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, potentially even New Jersey or New York City, which would be a disastrous situation for that area. Long Island is also a possibility for the system, and a hurricane landfall or near hurricane landfall strength is likely, as there is hurricane warnings out for the majority of Long Island and the coast of Rhode Island and Connecticut, while tropical storm warnings extend out into New York City and tropical storm watches extend into New Jersey, while hurricane watches extend out all the way into Cape Cod. Current winds of 70 miles per hour and moving west-northwest at 7 miles per hour with a pressure of 994 millibars. Taking a look at the expected model guidance for this storm, you can see that the storm will likely go anywhere from the northern bit of New Jersey or New York City all the way out into Cape Cod or the far eastern tip of Massachusetts. Landfall is expected in the next 48 hours to 60 hours. This is the expected track for this storm. As you can see, the majority of the models taking it straight up into Rhode Island. I am taking it a little bit farther west than the majority of the east than the majority of the models to the more eastern border of Rhode Island, while the rest bring it up into Long Island and whatnot. Taking a look at the sea surface temperatures, the sea surface temperatures will be great conditions for the storm all the way up until right here, which will only be about 6 to 12 hours for the storm to weaken and or just maintain its intensity. But it still has so much time. The majority of its time between now and landfall will be spent over favorable waters for development and intensification. Predicted intensity for the storm will likely range from 75 to 90 miles per hour at its peak and will likely make landfall at anywhere from 65 to 80 miles per hour. This is the intensity guidance. As you can see, one bold model takes it to Cat 2, while the majority keep it down low at 70 to 85 miles per hour for the system. Taking a look at the current intensity, you can tell that this storm is clearly down around 70 to 75 miles per hour, maybe even down to 65, according to some of these intensity guidances. And taking a look at the potential damage index for the New England region, you have a potential for up to 5 feet of surge, winds of up to or around 85 miles per hour, moving at roughly 20 to 30 miles per hour with a rainfall potential of up to 7 to 12 inches in isolated areas. Thank you guys for watching this update. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Atlantic updates, and I'll catch you later.